Modern and efficient warehousing is critical to a factory, helping the factory optimize its production process as well as properly store and transfer its raw materials, work-in-progress products, and finished products. In this way, it makes the production process smoother. Automated, digitalized, and intelligent logistics and warehousing are gaining momentum. The network is the foundation for smart transformation of warehouses. Traditional warehousing networks face many challenges. First, shelves in warehouses easily block Wi-Fi signals, creating coverage holes. Devices such as PDAs and AGVs are prone to disconnection and suspension when roaming between different APs. Second, in stereoscopic warehouses with densely distributed steel shelves and goods, multiple AP and IoT networks are built, complicating network construction and O&M. For stereoscopic warehouses, Huawei provides the zero-roaming distributed Wi-Fi solution. This solution has a wealth of highlights. The first one is zero roaming. In Huawei's zero roaming distributed Wi-Fi solution, all antennas operate on the same channel, equivalent to a super antenna. AGVs do not roam or disconnect, no matter where they move in the warehouse. The second highlight is wide coverage. In a stereoscopic warehouse, only one set of distributed APs need to be deployed, which can cover up to 64 points. 500-meter ultra-long hybrid cables ensures zero-signal attenuation. Wi-Fi signals are available in a multi-layer warehouse with an area of up to 7,000 square meters, with no signal coverage holes. The third highlight is high bandwidth. In this solution, a central AP can provide up to 10.75 gigabits per second wireless throughput. It supports concurrent access of multiple terminals through 8T8R MU-MIMO, ensuring uninterrupted upload and download of massive logistics data. In common warehouse areas such as loading and unloading, picking and shipping areas, service traffic mainly comes from handheld PDAs, barcode scanners, and asset tags. In these areas, Air Engine, Wi-Fi 7, IoT APs are recommended. They provide IoT convergence capabilities to achieve converged access via Wi-Fi and IoT protocols. Such APs can provide unified and secure access for IoT terminals via multiple protocols, such as Wi-Fi, RFID, Bluetooth, and UWB. IoT terminals reuse Wi-Fi networks. This avoids repeated network construction, simplifies the networking architecture, greatly reduces network construction costs, and simplifies O&M. Huawei's zero-roaming distributed Wi-Fi solution and Air Engine IoT APs are flexibly applied to a range of complex warehouse scenarios, helping enterprises build high-quality, IT-oriented, intelligent warehousing networks. With this solution, devices operate more stably and services run more efficiently.